Subscribe to Swaroop Stunt YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get all the latest videos from the world of stunt riding. First you have to remove the bolts, loosen it from both the sides. You can see him removing bolts from both the sides. From the you got to use the hammer and remove the axle of this. Slowly catch the wheel so that it doesn't fall down. Remove the axle from the other side. It's coming slowly. Now wheel is coming out, but to do it carefully, you need a helping hand. Slowly remove that caliper also and keep it aside so that you can remove the wheel properly. And now you have to take the sprocket and remove the wheel. See, keep it aside. Now you have to remove the disc plate, so you need a 5mm Allen key. Now loosen it. You have to loosen all the bolts. See, now the disc plate comes off. Now you have to replace it with the new one. You see the new disc plate which I bought. This is the same for NS. Okay, now you have to place it correctly. See the grooves properly. This should go this way. Fits. Okay. Now you have to put the screws back to that. Use a tool to tighten it because you can't do it with the bare hands, so you need a tool as such to tighten it. Tighten it firmly. You don't need a shaky disc plate, so you need to tighten it. Now it is done. Now you have to put the wheel back to the bike. You need a helping hand for this. Can't do it alone. Now also apply the brake caliper to the disc plate. You have to apply it perfectly. You need a hammer to hit it on the other side. If you want to adjust the chain, you have to check the video which is mentioned there. Now tighten it back to its form. Tighten it firmly.